Hi, this is Mark again with Accent Gold Solutions. I'm one of the owners here, and we're going to be doing a comparison today of Salesforce and Microsoft CRM. You may ask what qualifies you to do that. Well, we are CRM experts. That's what we do. We've been certified with different products such as SAP CRM, Sugar, Microsoft, Sage Act. The list goes on and on and on, and our team of engineers and developers have they really know what they're doing because we actually download these softwares, we test them out, and we run them in our local environment. Our strength is to help you compare and find out what is the best CRM in my environment. So if that's where you're at, we would love to be able to assist you and find the best CRM for you. Right now, Microsoft is the second largest global CRM provider. They're right behind Salesforce, and their strategy is we are all in on the cloud. They basically invested, I think, billions of dollars, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's just $1 billion. That's a whole lot of money. On their online version, they did a complete rewrite in 2011, and it's absolutely fantastic. One of the main features is that Microsoft CRM is built right into Microsoft Outlook. Now you can access it through your browser, or you can access it directly through Microsoft Outlook. Outlook becomes your offline backup, and your CRM tasks become your Outlook tasks. It's absolutely fabulous. If you like Outlook, you're probably going to like Microsoft CRM. They've got the best-in-class workflow, best goal management, best pivot reports and drill downs, best queue management, and memorized lists that do include fields from other tables. Let's move on with a couple of more features here. SharePoint integration, Microsoft Office 365, mobile access. They have a great marketplace. You have an offline client at no extra charge, and you have the choice: do I want to install it locally, or do I want to install or have Microsoft host it for me? For $44 per user per month, it's probably the best bang for your buck on the marketplace. It matches up really with the enterprise version of Salesforce. It's actually better than the enterprise version of Salesforce. Has more features. That product is $125 per user per month. So you're looking here, Microsoft probably a better product at 1/3 the price. Dashboards, you can drill down as much as you want and go into multiple levels and pivot excellently. You can also add charts and graphs right into your list views. Your detail views give you the ability to have different views for different roles. Support and sales can look at different screens. Outlook tracking. Just right-click an email, right-click an activity, and you can track that activity right to the contact. And when it changes, if there's a revision, the thread or the revision will be tracked right in your CRM. Goal tracking. What is my goal? Where am I at? What am I on pace to hit? Etc. All built in, integrated with any module. Script management. If you have a call center, built right in. SharePoint, built right in. Incredible feature growth. They are on a path. They're just tearing it up with the features that they're adding. Mobile access on their app, and not just availability, but you really get the actual app. The negative here, it's going to cost you $30 per user per month for the users that need that mobile app. Otherwise, others can access the database just directly through their mobile browser. Response time a tad slower than Salesforce, and the screen can be a bit complex at times. If you're not used to the ribbon of Microsoft, you might have a hard time navigating around this. If you don't mind Microsoft's environment, then you're probably going to be just fine. Salesforce, they are number one. They are the largest provider on the marketplace of CRM. They do have the best app exchange and the most mature app exchange. They do have cross-browser support, which Microsoft does not have at this moment, but is coming out with. They do have a Chatter, which is the best collaboration tool. And how they position themselves is they say, listen, we know we're $125 per user per month, but here's the deal. We're proven, we're loved, we're fast, and we're complete. We have it all, therefore we're worth it. And that may be their answer for you. They may really be worth it for you. The negative there is they have a confusing pricing policy. Yes, you get email, but you can only do 250 emails per month or per day for a user. So they get you in, but then they don't tell you what the limits are. There's a whole bunch of limits, and here are just a few that can be a bit confusing. There's an entire document that they have, 41-page document of limits. If you need advice on how to compare what's the best CRM for you and find that out, please give us a call, and we'd love to serve you.